Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. This tutorial is about the main settings of the WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin. Main settings in the WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin helps you to customize the plugin according to your taste. In this tutorial, we're going to describe how you can customize the plugin by using the options provided in the main settings. So first of all, we have counts per page. You can use this option to specify how many orders to be displayed on each page of your order table. There are some default options that you can choose among them, and these options include a 10, 25, 50, 75, and 100, and etc. Then we have default sort by. In this option, you can instruct the plugin to sort the orders in the table according to the data you prefer. By default, this item is set to ID, which means all orders on the table sort by ID. Our next setting is default sort. Default sort is a good option in case you want the orders sort descending or ascending in the table. Alright, coming up next, we've got sticky ID column. This option in the main settings of our plugin determines whether you want to always see the ID column on the table or not, even when you scroll to the right or left. But if you choose no, the ID column will be hidden by scrolling the table. Then we have display column label. If you want to see the column label completely on the table, you can select completely from the drop-down list of this option on the main settings. Otherwise, you can go for in short to see the labels briefly, as you can see right here. Alright, customers details columns. There are two options for displaying the customers details columns. And the first one is shown as pop-up. In this method, a button will display on the table for customer details. So if you want to see the values of these columns, you need to click on the button to open the pop-up. The next option is show as text. If you choose show as text, the values of those columns, such as customer notes, as shown right here, will be displayed on the table directly. The next setting is order item column. The options provided here are exactly the same as previous item in the main settings. For example, if you choose show as text, for this item, all of the data will be displayed on the table directly instead of having to use a button to open a pop-up. Coming up next, we have billing shipping address. You can choose to see the contents of billing shipping address in a pop-up view or directly on the table by choosing one of these items, such as show as pop-up or show as text. For example, here, because we selected shown as text, we can see the contents of billing address on the table, and we can also edit it. Okay, now Colorize status column. This one is one of the incredible features of our plugin, in which the status column of the orders are colorized by default. But if you don't want to see the colors for each status on the table, you can go ahead and just disable this feature by choosing no, which results in displaying the data on status column without any colors. As you can see, there is no color anymore. Alright, last but not least, we've got keep filled data in bulk edit form. If you choose yes for these options, all of the data entered in the bulk edit form will remain even if you close the form. Therefore, you can see the previous data that you have entered in the text box, condition box, or combo boxes later on. However, if you choose no, every time you open the bulk edit form, a blank form is ready for you to be filled.